2017 Toyota Yaris. Whether you're interested in the 5-door or 3-door model, the Yaris offers a sleek design, plenty of interior space, and standard side and side curtain airbags, as well as vehicle stability control. Named 2010 Best Overall Value of the Year by IntelliChoice.com, you simply can't go wrong with a Yaris. This vehicle has less than 10,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, power windows, rear window defroster, trip computer, electronic stability control, brake assist, panic alarm, remote keyless entry, tachometer, driver vanity mirror, front bucket seats, tilt steering wheel, passenger vanity mirror, speed control, low tire pressure warning, 4-piece floor mat set, front wheel independent suspension. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience, so stop in for a test drive today.